Amushmadhi lokat vrishti sambhavati. Because the rains do originate from the heaven. Amushya lokasya gagatririti prishta dalbhyuvacha. But when Shilaka asked Dalbhya, what is the base of that world, of that heaven? When Dalbhya was being asked so, in reply the Shilaka says, no. Dalbhya says, Shilaka is asking, Dalbhya is replying, Swargam amum lokam atitya ashrayantaram sama na nayet kaschiditi hovacha aha. Amum lokam is Swargam. Amum Swargam lokam, that heaven, the world, heavenly world. Atitya, you cannot transcend it by Sama. By singing Sama, you can't take the Yajamana or can't fulfill the desires of the Yajama which is beyond the Swarga, beyond the heaven. If by chance the agent desires moksha itself, by Sama singing he can't give moksha. Whatever might be the capacity of Udgata, abilities of Udgata, he might be doing the Udgita Upasana also, whatever it is. If he has told before, he can fulfill any desire of the agent, of the doer, is it not? Sarvan Kaman Agayati. But now he is telling very clearly that desires is led only up to the heaven, not beyond that. Why? Na kaschit. Nobody should do like that, he says. None of the priests have got this right to transcend or go beyond the heaven by sing and give the fruits to the agent. Iti hovacha means aha, is the reply of Dalbhya. Ato vayamapi swargam lokam sama abhisanstapayama. Therefore, we also, even today, Dalbhya is telling, while singing Sama, we only establish Sama in the heaven. That means through Sama, we can establish the agent, the doer, in the heaven. We can lead him towards heaven by singing Sama. Swargaloka pratishtham Sama janima. Because we know that the ultimate basis, the ultimate goal of Sama is what? Swarga only. That is, Sama is established in Swarga, in the heaven. How do you know that? He says, Swarga sanstavam. Swargatvena sanstavana. Sanstava. Yasya. Sa tat Sama. The Sama is always praised as if it is itself the heaven. Because it gives the heaven, therefore it is called as heaven. Just like the train goes to Masuri, it's called Masuri Express. It's going to there. It is going there. And you going that or not, up to there. But the train's name will be that only. Similarly here, the Sama is leading the person to Swarga, therefore the Sama is also called as Swarga Sanstava. Yes, Tat Sama, that Sama is called Swarga Sanstavam. That's when Napunsaklinga has been used. Swarga Sanstavam. Because Sama is what? Napunsaklinga. It's in the neutral gender. Therefore, Swarga Sanstavam. But in the Samasa you take, he's taking Pullinga. Swargatvena Sanstavan means Sanstavaha. Pullingam. Masculine gender. Yes, yeah. Tat. What's that? Sama. Then it comes to neutral gender. Swarga Sanstavam he yasmad, as and because the Sama is called as to be established in and praised as the heaven. Swargo Vailoka Sama Veda it is Shrudehe. Sama is separate and Veda is separate here. Don't make it one word, Sama Veda. A person who knows and a person who meditates on Sama as heaven. This is the meaning here. Swargo vai lokaha sama iti yo veda. That is a person who meditates so or knows so. Veda, he meditated. Actually, it's like that. Sometime somebody meditated so. Meditated Sama as heaven. Iti shrudehe. Tasma swargaiva Sama. Therefore, Swarga itself, heaven is itself Sama. Sama is itself heaven. Tam mitra Shilga Shalavatya Chakitayanam Dalbhya Muvacha. तम शिलक शालावत शैकितायनम दाल्भ्यमुवाच अप्रतिष्ठितं वै किल ते दाल्भ्य साम यस्त्वेतरि ब्रूयान् मूर्धाते विपतिष्यति इति मूर्धाते विपतेदिति। तम शिलक शालावत्या, तम means who? That Chaitanya Dalbhya was answering up to now. He was the supporter, and the objector, the questioner was Shilaka. Now it just reverses. Because Shilaka, who was up to now asking questions or putting the objection or the protester, he says to Chaitanya, the answer, the supporter of the doctrine, says, what you are telling is wrong. Your Sama is apratishtitam. Tam Chaityanam Dalbhyam Shilaka Shalavatya Uvacha. To that Dalbhya Chaitanya, Shilaka Shalavati, who was up to now questioning, said, no, you are wrong. If you say that Udgita's ultimate basis is Swarga, that means you are making that Sama, what? Without support. It is supportless. Because the support that you are thinking is not actual support at all. Because you thought, what is the support of Sama? Heaven. But heaven is perishable. It's not the pratishtha at all. Vakshine punya martyalokam vishanti. I think that is so. How can it lead you to permanent happiness? Therefore it says, apratishtitam vaikila. Actually, your Sama is certainly without any support. It's going to fall down. As you are going to come back onto the earth. Even if you lead the agent to a Swarga, it's of no use, but at last what will happen? Your agent will come back to this world. Therefore, te dalbhya, te means your, O dalbhya is the sambodhanam. O dalbhya, te sama apratishtitam vai kila. Vai and kila. Certainty is there. Certainly, your sama that you are thinking and singing and meditating on is surely without any support. It remains without support. Therefore, yahtu, if by chance anyone would have stated here at this moment, what? Pruyat murdhati upatishati. Your head will fall. Then what would have happened? Murdhati upatit. Your head surely would fall down. But you are lucky and I am not going to do as such. This is what he wants to say, Shilaka. Bhashikara will tell you, and don't worry, I am not doing such shapam. Tam itaraha bhashikara. Tam means itaraha, the other who? Shilakaha, Shalavatyaha, Chaityanam Dalbhyam. There is not meaning of tam. Itara is not meaning of tam. Itara is the Visheshan of Shilaka. The other told to him, to tam. Who is that tam? Chaityanam Dalbhyam. Uvacha said, apratishtitam, asanstitam. It is remaining without any support. Paryorivastina asamaptagati sama. Because actual, what is the quality of Sama? It should be the successfully the highest. The ultimate goal that we want to attain through the Sama here means what? Actually Udgita. It was told before. Udgita is again Om. So what we want to attain by Om? The Supreme Being, the Supreme Self, liberation itself, which is the successively the highest. Now nothing beyond that. That we want to attain through Sama. But you said through Sama you want to lead us to Swarga only. So how can that Sama be pratishtitam? With total proper support. Therefore it says, Parovaryastvena asamapta gati. The gati, the basis of yours is asamapta. That means it is not reaching the goal. Without reaching the goal, your Sama is ending up. Without reaching the final goal, asamapta gati. What was the gati? Parovaryastvena, being the successfully highest, is the actual basis, the ultimate goal of Sama, Udgita, of Om. But without reaching there, your Sama is stopped up. Where? In heaven. So it is apratishtitam. Actually, I cannot accept it as support itself. This is what Shilaka wants to say. Va iti. Va means why. Huh? There's why, in the mantra. Why kila. Why is va iti. Echaya is ayadesh. Yakar lo. Va iti agamam smarayati. Kila iti cha. Why and kila, both these things are reminding you of the agama, of the tradition. How to teach and how to learn. Both is being taught here. Both. Because what will happen now? The will say, sir, then you only please teach me. He'll request. The Shilaka says, what is wrong? He'll not say, come on, die off. He don't let him die. He not let his head fall down. This is how he wants to teach. He is indicating that your knowledge is insufficient and I have a better knowledge than you. Then only I can say you are wrong. If I don't know and higher knowledge, how can I just say that your knowledge is wrong? The person Dalby has to imply here that Shilaka has got higher knowledge of the Gita. This is how to indicate and persuade the other to ask the question and request it. And then only you have to give, not just directly give the knowledge also. He has to request for it. This is the tradition. Agamam smarayati. So the why and kila words are reminding of the traditionally accepted way of learning and teaching both. Dalbhya te means tava sama. Hey Dalbhya, oh Dalbhya, your sama is surely, certainly without support. Yes, tu means if. Asahishnu. Yah means some fellow who is intolerant of hearing any contrary knowledge or wrong knowledge, erotical knowledge. That fellow what he will do? Samavid. If at this time in this sabha, in this debate what's going on, in this assembly, if one person would have been intolerant Samavid, he would have said, what? Etasmin kale bruyat viparit vijnanam aprasitam sama. Because you are having a contrary knowledge, viparita vijnanam, contrary knowledge. And that too, contrary how? With an unbased sama. Apratishtatam sama. Pratishtatam iti. And what you are thinking? That is to be based actually. And apratishthita, unbased thing you are accepting it has to be based. That is the what? Contra knowledge. Just like accepting the rope as a snake. A thing is not unsupported. You are accepting it as the support itself. Evam vadaparadhinam. So you are what? Vadaparadhi. In this vada, in this discussion, you have done a very big mistake. Therefore you are in aparadhi, he says. A person who has committed an offense in the course of a discussion is called as vadaparadhi. Vadaparadhanam prati bruyat. What he will, the intolerant samvetta will tell? Murdha means shiraha. Te vipatishyati. Spashtam padishyati. Your head will surely fall down. Here we should not say, actually before us at time the beheaded you wanted to use the word. Ganesh wanted to use the word here, beheaded. It's not before us. You suggested. But I don't think it's right. Because even in the Agyalika Prakarana you see, he says if you do like that your head will fall down. Yeah. Nobody came and beheaded. Beheaded means actually murdering. Correct. Somebody has to come, some third person will come and cut. That's called as beheading. But here it's not going to happen. Actually the person has got the right knowledge. If justice says, it will fall down. Automatically cut on its own and fall down. Then here you see the objector here. You see the objector, what he questions. Then you understand this point. Ipasi vispashtam will surely patishyati, fall down. Eva muktasya aparadhinah tathaiva tat vipatet na sanshaya natuham bravimiti viprayaha. You see. Eva muktasya aparadhinah, and when an intolerant samveta tells such a statement in front of an accused person, tathaiva tadipat, it will surely happen. There's no doubt in it. Na sanshaya. No doubt at all. But don't worry. I am a tolerant samveta. Natuham bravimi. I am not telling so to you. Ityavipraya. This is the idea behind this statement. Now you see the objector stands up and says, if a person has committed a mistake, and due to the mistake the head has to fall down, whether the second person says or not, your head will fall down. It should fall down, is it not? Whether intolerant samvetta states it or not, because of the mistake, it has to fall down. It's not falling down at all on its own due to the mistake. So, even if a person says also, it will not fall down. This is what Purvaksha wants to say here, the objector. You see, Murdhapatarram chet aparadam kritavan ata parena anuktasyapi patet murdha. Do you understand? Murdhapatarram. If a person has committed a guilt or an offense which deserves the falling of the head, kritavan atah parena anuktasyapi. After that, immediately, even though another person says or not, even then what should happen? Patit murdha. His head should fall down. Nachet. And if it does not happen so, aparadhi uktasyapi nivavati. If the person has committed the mistake, if his head does not fall down due to the mistake, even the other person says also, it should not fall down. Anyatha, why you are saying so? Otherwise, what is going to happen? Akrita abhyabgamaha kritanashasya syata. A very big fault in the vada will take place. What will take place? Akrita abhyagamaha. The fault of getting some result of which you have not performed any action at all. For that result, you have not performed any action, but you are getting the result. Akrita abhyagam. Akrita means what? I have not performed the action for that result, but I am getting that result. I am attaining that result. And I did some action for a certain result. I performed an action for a certain result. That action, without giving a result, destroys. That's called as krita vipranasha. Kritanasha. And destruction of an action which was performed for a certain result. That action has destructed without giving result. That's what kritanasha. You have done for a result. But without giving the result, the action is destroyed. Such a thing will happen. Because what is happening here? The person has done offense. And the result is not there at all. If the offense itself gives a result, his head should fall down. He has done the offense. Bhashikara will give a good answer here. He said the offense never gives. There are many other reasons. There is a virtue, not only an offense or a sin. Even a virtue also cannot give its own result on its own. Any action performed for any result cannot give action of the fruits on their own. But how do they give? What the Bhashikara says, Naisha dosha. This fault is not there in this discussion. Why? Kritasya karmana shubha shubhasya. You see, both is taking here, that's why. The karma, the action that you have performed, whether it is good or bad, a virtue or a sin, it does not matter. Falapraptehe deshakal nimittapekshata. To get the result, to get the fruits of that action, three things are very much essential. They depend upon, that means the actions depend upon these three things. Number one, desha, the place. Number two, kala, the time. And number three, the nimitta, the causation. There's a cause behind everything. The fruits to come up originate also, there's a cause behind that origination of the fruits. It's not only the action, the cause. There are many other causes. Those causes are called as nimitta. The material cause is different. And the nimitta is what? The temporal cause. They are different. And there are many, not one. In nimitta also, there will be many, depending upon the work, the effect. Tatraivam sati, therefore, here also you have to understand. That being so, murdhapata nimittasyapi ajnanasya. The cause for the murdhapata, the fall of the head, mainly is the ajnana of the udgita, the ignorance that is existing in him. Even though api is still, api ajnanasya, api murdhapada nimittasyapi. The cause for the fall of the head is ignorance or the the controversial knowledge or the contrary knowledge of the Udgita. Even though that exists, but still, parapi vyahar nimitta apekshaptamiti. According to the mantra, it's very clear that another person has to state, then only the result will come forward. The intolerant, a person who has got higher knowledge and is intolerant also. Such a person, if he says, may your head fall, then only it will fall. That is the dependence of the action and the fruit. The action, that means the offense done, is going to give the fruit only when the person says it, not otherwise. This is called the nimitta karanam. Para abhivyahara, somebody else's utterance is the nimitta. It is dependent on somebody else's utterance. Apekshatvam. Apeksha is dependent upon. So now, what will the Dalbhya do? Means we told, but still anyway, I am excusing you. Like in one way, Shilaka Shalavatya has excused the mistake or the offense done by Dalbhya Chaikatayana. So, taking this opportunity, this is how the people were learning. This is what the new knowledge we get. Some new knowledge may originate, or wrong knowledge will be gone. Wrong perceptions will be gone. You see how it is going of Dalbhya now. He had a wrong perception. It is being removed by Shilaka. So, Dalbhya says, Hanta aham etad bhagavato vedaniti viddhiti hovacha amushya lokasya kagatriti ayam lokati hovacha asya lokasya kagatriti na pratishtham lokam matanediti hovacha pratishtham vayam lokagum samabhisagum sthapayamaha pratishthā sagum sthavagum hisameti. Hanta. Here hanta means, if you permit, don't you take the meaning here this. If it is pleasing to you, then I would like to know this. I wish to know, Vedani. Here Ashirling. I wish to know. In Ashishart, lot, not ling. In Ashishart, lot has come. I wish to know this. This means the pratishtha, actual pratishtha of Sama from you, Bhagavata. From your adorable self, from a respectable, venerable self. The answer from Shilaka is, Viddhiti hovacha, surely, do know it from me. Amushyak lokasya kagatrite. The question comes from Dalbhya now. The supporter is Shilaka and oppositor is Dalbhya now. Amushya lokasya kagatrite. What is the base, the support or ultimate goal of that world also? Ayam loka iti is this world. If it is due to this world only, that world exists. If we don't do your karma, agno prastahoti adityam upadishthate. If you don't put in Agni the Ahuti, it will not go to Aditya. If it does not go to Aditya, means it will not go to all the gods itself. They will all be hungry and die off. Even though they are Ajara Amara, but still they are depending upon the oblations that we are putting over here. Therefore he says that world depends upon this world. Ayam loka iti hovacha. Then again Dalbhya questions now. Asya loka se kagatriti. What is the base, the support of even this loka, of this world? He said, don't go beyond this. Na prishtam loka matile. One should not sing the sama, or one should not try to take the agent, lead the agent by singing sama beyond this world. Beyond this world. Atine, as I told before, carrying. But Udgata does not carry on his head the agent. They were carrying here in the sense by singing, you are going to give the fruits. Well, remember that the last fruit that you can give, the maximum fruit, the ultimate fruit that you can give is about this loka. Either the heaven or this loka only. Because this loka is the last pratishtha, the ultimate basis, according to Shilaka. Even though he is also wrong. Iti hovacha. So pratishtha vayam lokam sama abhisanstapayama. That's why we establish this sama on this loka. Pratishtha sansthavam hisameti. Therefore, in another Vedic text, it is written, stated very clearly that this sama is actually established, rested or placed on earth. That is how it has been praised, sansthavam, as before, praised as this world. Eva mukto dalbya aha. When, having been stated so by Shilaka, Dalbya started to say now, Anta, if it pleases to you, aham etat bhagavato vedani, from your venerable self, I would like to know, I would wish to know, what? This. Etat. This. This means what? Yat pratishtam sama. What is the actual basis of sama? If what I know, up to now I was thinking that the basis of sama is heaven only. But if there is something else other than that, higher than this, successively higher than this, then please let me know that. I would like to know it from you. Ittuktaha. As soon as Dalbya told so Pratyavacha Shalavatyo, then Shalavatya Shilakha gave answer, said, Vidhi, do know it from me. Idihovacha. Amushyaloka se kagadirti prishtaha. Having been asked again by Dalbya, what is the basis or support of that world of the heaven? Shalavatyo ayam lokajhovacha. Then Shilaka Shalavatya answered, it is this world which is the actual basis of that world also. How? Ayami loko yagadana homadibhir amum lokam pushyati iti. Because he is supporting this is indirectly. Nourishing is here itself supporting. Ayami loka, because this loka, this world is supporting by nourishing that world through yaga, dana, homa, adibhi. Yaga means sacrifices, dana means gifts and all, and homa means oblations, etc. In different other means. Lokam pushyati. But that's how by nourishing only we can do that. This world is established as supporting that world. Itah pradhanam deva upajivanti iti shrutayaha. Because another Vedic text is stating very clearly, it declares very clearly, itah pradhanam. Offerings given from here. Itah. No. Oh, make it, it's wrong. Itah. Itah. Offerings given from here will be accepted by those devas, and that is how they are upajivanti. The gods are sustaining themselves. Pratyakshami sarvabhutanam dharani pratishtha. And on the other hand, you see, this is pratishtha, this loka is pratishtha also. This loka, this world is a support, is a basis. And how? It is obviously seen by all, that all the creatures, moving and unmoving, everything is based on this world. This world is support of all of them. We are all living on this. We are moving creatures. We are living on this world. This earth, this world is our support, is the basis for us. Pratyakshami sarvabhutanam dharani pratishtha. This is support. Ataha samnopi. Because everything is supported by this world, when Sama is also be supported by this world. Ataha samnopi ayam loka pratishtha eva iti yuktam. It is logical to say, when this earth, this world is the support or the basis of everything, in everything what? Sama is also included. Sama is nothing separate out of it. Therefore, even the support of Sama is also this world only. Asya loka sakagadariti ukta aha. Now, Dalbya question, what is the support or the basis of this world also? Is there anything higher than this? That's meaning here. Because we want to go successively higher to the highest. So we are successfully coming. He came up to heaven. And now he is taken up to the next successive higher thing is this world. And after this, where we have to go? Is there anything higher than this? But Shilaka does not do anything higher than that. Therefore he says, don't go beyond this again. Just as Dalbya had told before. Now Shilaka says the same thing. He said, you cannot take anybody, you can't lead any agent through singing Sama, that's Udgita, that Om. By singing that, you can't give the fruits beyond this world. Na pratishtham imam lokamatitya nayat Sama kaschat. Nobody, kaschat means nobody can support or lead any person to the basis beyond this loka, by transcending this loka, this world. Atah, therefore, vayam pratishtam lokam sama abhisanstapayama. Therefore, we establish sama on this loka, as this loka is the support of it. Yasmat prashasan sama pratishtatvena samsutam. As and because this world is being praised, no, the sama is being praised as the support, having the support of this world. Prashtatvena samsutam. It is praised as to be established on this earth. Which is being praised? Sama is being praised. So, ityartha. This is the meaning of the whole thing. Where you have seen such a text that this world is also sama, as you gave before a Vedic text. Here also you have to give some Vedic text. Here is given a Taittiriya Samhita 3.1.21. Iyam vairadhandram iti jashrutihi. Iyam vairadhandram. This Prithvi, this world which we are seeing by our naked eyes is itself the Rathandram Sama, is indeed the Rathandram Sama. The when it is Rathandram Sama means, it is even the Udgita is a part also is Iyam eva. When the whole itself is this world, the part is also this world, is it not? Because when you take the Rathandra Sama as the whole and praising it as this world, when the whole is this world, means the part Udgita is also this world, and the part of Udgita is what? Oh, even that is this world. When the whole is accepted as one thing, the part is also the same thing, there is no doubt. Therefore, he says, teacher, should they applying that formula, here he says, this Rathandram Sama means from that Sama you have to take up to Udgita. Oh. Tamma pravahano jevliruvacha antavadvaikilate shalavatya sama yastvetari bruyan murdhate vipatishaditi murdhate vipatediti hantaham etat bhagavato vedaniti vidhiti hovacha. Tamma pravahano jevlihi uvacha. Tam means to that Shilaga Shalavatya. Up to now, silently this fellow was sitting and listening what they were saying, what they were talking, as told before. They were just talking. They don't know at all the actual pratishtha, the actual basis and support. And they were boosting up themselves, I know, and you don't know. Therefore now he says that Pravana now comes forward and says, actually you also don't know. Pravana Jevliruvacha. The son of Jivala, by name Pravahana, stated to the Shilaka Shalavatya, Antavadvaikilate Shalavatya Sama. Ho, Shalavatya, your Sama is actually not only Apratishtha, but Antavadda also. Up to now you are discussing each other, it is Apratishtha. But I want to tell you very clearly that yours is perishable also. Not only limited, but perishable also. It is unsupported, not only unsupported, but it's perishable also. It has got an end. You are talking of such a thing as a support and the highest. How is it possible? A perishable thing can be the supreme. It's not right. Therefore, if somebody who an intolerant samvit, if he says, Bruyat Murdati Upatishati, if at this time somebody intolerant samvita would have said that may your head fall down, then Murdati Upatishati, surely your head would have fallen down. But I am a tolerant fellow. I am not tolerant. Being a Kshatriya is a tolerant. It's a very greatness. Otherwise it will become very angry immediately. Kshatriyas become very short-tempered people. But he's not getting angry. He says, don't worry, I'm not going to say so. Immediately, therefore, getting this as soon as he got the opportunity, Shalavati, being a Brahmin, says to that Kshatriya, Bhagavato etad vedani hanta aham etad bhagavato vedani. If you please, then surely I would like to know, I wish to know from you venerable sir, about the basis or the ultimate support of this world also. Itara anujnana aha. The other, that is Jaivalihi, gave his consent to ask the question. Therefore, directly the question comes. Vidhiti hovacha, because he has told Vidhi, do know it from me. This is what the answer from Jaivali. Therefore, the question starts now from Shilaka again starts questioning Jaivali. Bhashya is only 2 lines, I will get into it now. Tadeva muktavantam. Tab eva muktavantam. As soon as Pravahano Jaivali, he told this to Shilaka what he told? Vacha antavadvai kila. Te he Shalavatya Sama. He Shalavatya, Bho Shalavatya, O Shalavatya. Your Sama is surely antavadvai. Certainly, it is a limited thing, it is a perishable thing that cannot be the ultimate support, ultimate basis, or ultimate goal of Udgita, of the Sama. Ityadi Purat. In the rest of the mantra, the words' meanings you have to interpret as before. Tata Shalavatyaha. Then, after hearing it, thus from Jaivali, the Shalavatya stated the same sentence as before. Dalbya had told, Hanta Hamit Bhagavata Vedaniti Vidditi Hovacha. So you can, I want to listen if you are pleased towards me, because you are not giving Shapam. You not say, come on, let it fall down. That means you are pleased. That if you are pleased towards me and not giving any Shapam and my head is intact in its place, that means therefore I would wish to know from you what is the actual basis, the supreme basis, the supreme thing, the ultimate basis or the ultimate support of this world also. For that the answer from Jaivali is Vidditi Hovacha. Do know this from me. Now the question comes from Shilaka Shalavatya. Asya lokasya kagatiriti akasheti hovacha sarvani hava imani bhutani akashadeva samutpadyanta akasham pratyastam yanti akashayevebhyo jayan akasha parayanam. Asya lokasya kagatiriti. What is the base or support of this world also? Akasheti hovacha. This space in which all these things, all the planets and stars and everything. It's not only this space. You take the cause of this space actually. What is the cause of this space? Tasmad Atman Akasha Sambhuta, the Brahman. Therefore here the word meaning of Akasha is usually space. But Bhashyakara says Akasha is usually Paratma itself. The Supreme Self, Brahman. Why? Yato va imani bhutani jayante sarvani va imani bhutani akashadeva samutpadyante. Because all these things, movable and immovable objects in this world which we are experiencing and which are not experiencing also, all these things akashadeva samutpadyante originate verily eva from this Supreme Self. Akasham prati astamyanti. And when these are going to perish or when they are going to end, what is going to happen? They will move towards and merge in this Akasha only. Prati astam prati yanti. Whenever they would go into their end, towards their end, what will they? They will move towards this Brahman only. And they will merge into that Brahman. Akashayevebhyo jayan. Therefore, among all these bhutani, this world, that world, and everything, movable and immovable things, among all this, the supreme thing, the most superior thing is Akasha. Not only the supreme thing, it is the Parayanam also, it is the ultimate goal. It is the ultimate basis, it is the ultimate support of all. Because everything is being imagined and superimposed on that Brahman only. Therefore, it is the ultimate goal that everybody wants to reach. And without attaining this, there is no question of liberation at all. Therefore, this is the Parayanam, he says.